Alright guys, welcome back to Learn Computers TV, and in today's video we'll be tackling two errors that might arise while you're trying to activate your Windows. Alright, so we have two of them on the screen. So one of them showing us we can't activate Windows on this device as our activation error servers aren't available right now. Error code 0x0c004f074. Alright, and the other error showing on the screen currently is we can't activate Windows on this device as we can't connect to your organization activation servers. Error code 0xc004f074. all right, so before tackling this error, make sure you are connected to the internet, and if the error is actually showing you that you need to that it can't connect to your organization server, make sure that you are connected to your organization internet. All right, so to get started with step one, what we are going to do, make sure you're connected to the internet. We are going to go right ahead to where we have the troubleshoot. All right, we want to click on the troubleshoot options. All right, and make sure we follow the steps that will be prompted by this troubleshooter. Okay, make sure you follow the steps that will be prompted by this troubleshooter when you click on it. All right, so if this step does not work, I'm going to give you another step right away. All right, just follow the steps and then make sure you go right away to activate your Windows. So if this does not work, no challenge, we go right away to step two. So step two, we are going to be calling up the CMD. all right, from the start menu we're going to call up the CMD. So search for CMD. all right, and then go right away to open the CMD with administrator. So run the CMD with administrator. So when you open it, we are going to put in some commands. All right, you're going to be putting in some commands, and the first one is the sfc/can. all right, so that is it here. I'm going to copy and paste it. So what it will do is that it will repair the system integrated violations that might be causing activation issues. all right, so it might take some time, just be patient, and then we will be good to go. So just be patient and then we'll be good to go. All right, so after this command finish running, we're going to be getting the second command, but let's be patient while this command runs. All right, so getting value, please subscribe. All right, we'll be getting the second command right now. So what this command will do right away, it's going to restore the health of your computer. All right, it's going to restore the health of your computer, which is very, very important. So once you're done with this command and then it's finished running, all right, go right away and try to restart your system. All right, so if it does not work, we go right away to step three. All right, we're going to be using step three, and step three here we are going to be checking and reactivating Windows license. All right, which is very, very important. So go to CMD, run as administrator. You're going to paste in some command right away. All right, so the first command that we're going to paste is this command right away. So we're going to paste it there. All right, so what I want you to do right away when you paste this command is I want you to take note of your Windows product key. All right, you're going to see it there, as you can see. Take note of it because we are going to be using it for the next step. All right, so once you've taken note of your the product key of your Windows, we go right away, all right, to get the second command that we are going to paste on the CMD. All right, so we're going to go right away, get this second command. All right, you paste it. All right, then you're going to type both the product key that you've collected in the previous step. All right, so just get the product key space and then you paste it. All right, so I'm clicking on enter right away, and we are seeing an error telling us that we've not included our product key. So guys, make sure you put in the product key before you put in the enter. So the last step is to get this other command. All right, so this is the other command we are going to be pasting there. All right, and then we are going to be putting it right away in the CMD, and we're going to click on enter. All right, when you click on enter, just wait for it. All right, so you're going to be having this dialog box prompted, and when it's being prompted, all you do right away is just click on OK, close the CMD and restart your system. So we'll go to the first step, which is the final step, which might likely work for everyone, is to configure key management service. All right, you're going to be configuring the key management service. Go to command prompt, open with administrator, and we're going to be copying some commands, just two commands this time around. So we'll copy that one. We're going to be setting the KMS server. All right, so with that we're setting the KMS server, and then we're going to go right away to copy the other commands. All right, so slmgr/8co, you're going to be pasting it right away and then clicking on enter. So once you've done this right away, you're going to be seeing this dialog box telling us Windows activation call, close your CMD and then restart your system. All right, so if one of the solution work for you, please let us know in the comment section, Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel for more content. All right, thank you for watching. See you in our next video.